Hi guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed setup for Floki, a popular cryptocurrency that has been making waves in the crypto space. The token has seen significant price swings driven by hype, community engagement, and broader market trends. In this chart, we're looking at the Floki one-day chart timeframe, which gives us a broader view of its price action over time. You can see the candlestick patterns, moving averages, and key support and resistance levels that help us identify potential entry and exit points. The red and green zones highlight areas of potential consolidation or breakout. The price has recently been testing some critical levels, and the current position suggests we might be at a decision point whether it continues to climb or pulls back. Of course, this is all based on technical analysis, and the crypto market is highly unpredictable, so always keep an eye on volume and news that could impact price movement. Now, if you want to see my analysis on other pairs, you can join my free Telegram channel, link is in the description below. We also have a VIP group where our community gets access to additional setups and exclusive insights, so feel free to check that out too. And if you're looking for a reliable exchange that's easy to use, I recommend BingX. By using my referral link, you'll get additional bonuses to kickstart your trading. For complete details, visit my Linktree, link is shown on screen, in the description and comment box, as well as get back to the chart setup. Looking at the chart, the price is currently hovering around the 0.00097 for dollars level, with a potential resistance zone near 0.001 to $579. The moving averages are showing a slight bullish crossover, which could indicate upward momentum if the price breaks above the cloud. However, there's also a risk of a pullback if it fails to hold the support at 0.0087 for dollars. The recent candlestick patterns suggest some indecision, with long wicks indicating buying and selling pressure. Traders might consider waiting for a confirmed breakout or a retest of support before entering a position. Always use proper risk management, like setting stop losses below key levels, and remember that this is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's keep analyzing this exciting market together.